Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw an Alphabet Lore Mothra. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Alphabet Lore Mothra, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to make a big circular shape like this. I want to leave some space and then I'm going to make another circular shape just like this. Now inside of here I'm going to add two little lines that come down, and I'll do the same thing here. Let's just make two little lines that come down. Then I'll make two lines here, and then two lines right here. Now in the middle I'm going to make a big sad face shape. And then I'm going to curve this around and then up here. Next I'll make a little zigzag shape that comes down. And we'll make two little curved lines right above it. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes up on each side right above the eye. Then we're going to make a line that comes over on each side. And then kind of like a V shape to connect them. Next I'm going to draw a line that comes down a little bit longer underneath each eye. And then I'll make a little zigzag shape here and a little zigzag shape right here. Then we're going to connect it up on each side. For the feet, let's make a little line that's going to curve around, and then we'll do the same thing on this side, going the opposite way. We'll do that same thing here. Let's curve a little line here, and then one right here. We'll do a little curve here, and a little curve here. Same thing, little curve here, little curve right here. Then we'll just connect these little lines here. Now at the top, let's make the antennas. Let's start by making a line that's going to come up and then down. Same thing over here, we're going to go up and down. Let's curve a line that comes up and down, up and down, up and down. Same thing here, we're going to go up and down and back up. Then we'll connect them right to here. Now for the wings, we're going to draw a line that's going to come out and then in. Then we're going to go out and in. This bottom one's going to be a little smaller. Same thing here, let's go out and then in, out and then in. I'm going to curve this line around right on the inside of the shape of the wing. So we'll do that same thing. We're just going to draw the same shape of the wing here. Now I'm going to make a little circle shape at the bottom of the wing, and I'll just kind of color in the inside here. Now just for some simple details, let's add a few little wiggly lines in here. We'll just make some little wiggly lines right inside of there. Now the last thing is I'm just going to make some little zigzag lines that kind of curve down right around the eye, and we'll do the same thing down here. This just kind of shows a little bit of detail on our Mothra Alphabet Lore character. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Mothra Alphabet Lore letter M. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.